Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Welcome inside a massive samosa factory. Thousands of samosas are made here daily.
The process begins with raw ingredients. Fresh potatoes arrive in bulk.
Workers inspect quality carefully.
Next, they are peeled automatically.
Clean potatoes move to cutting machines.
They are chopped into small cubes.
Spices are measured precisely.
The filling mixture is prepared.
Potatoes and spices are mixed well.
Green peas are added for flavor.
Meanwhile, dough is prepared separately. Flour is poured into mixing machines.
Water and oil are added.
Smooth dough is ready for rolling.
Dough is rolled into thin sheets.
Machines cut perfect circles.
Each piece is uniform in size.
Filling is added into each cone.
Edges are sealed tightly.
Samosas take their classic shape.
Rows of samosas move forward.
Quality checks happen again.
Samosas enter the frying section.
They begin to turn golden brown.
Crispy texture develops quickly.
Excess oil is drained off.
Samosas move to cooling trays.
Perfect samosas are selected.
They are packed automatically.
Reboot arm. Plastic pack samosa. Place in box.
Boxes are labeled and sealed.
Products are ready for shipment.
They are delivered across cities.
From factory to your plate.
Enjoy the crispy delight.
Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.